My dear brother and sister, Assalamu alaikum. Physical illnesses in the human body can be diagnosed by doctors, but what about the diseases of the heart and soul? Who will treat them? These are the diseases that cannot be seen with our eyes but deeply impact our lives. In today's video, we will discuss these inner ailments, their effects, and their cures. Introduction to inner diseases. The diseases of the heart that cannot be diagnosed by any machine or test include pride, takabbur, envy, hasad, malice, bugs, lack of patience and gratitude. These illnesses do not affect physical health but instead influence our morals and character. Treating such ailments is beyond the scope of worldly doctors. They require a special knowledge and expertise called tasawwuf, Sufism. Who are the doctors of the heart? The healers of these diseases are the Sufis, Sufi masters, who specialize in diagnosing and treating inner maladies. They are experts in ilm al-akhlaq, the science of ethics, and dedicate their lives to this purpose. Their work is not limited to prescribing invocations, wazif, or chants. Instead, they focus on removing inner flaws and purifying the heart. The reality of humility and showmanship. Humility, tawadu, is recognizing one's insignificance. But sometimes people outwardly claim to be ignorant or sinful while harboring different feelings in their hearts. Hakim Aluma Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanvi says, a way to test such a person is to affirm their claim. For example, if someone calls themselves useless or insignificant, say to them, yes, you are indeed so. Now observe their reaction. Do they feel grateful, or does their heart become uneasy? In most cases, people feel offended. This indicates that their claim of humility was insincere and that pride lurks in their hearts. Misunderstandings about Sufism. Today, Sufism is often reduced to rituals and pledges of allegiance, bay'ah. However, true Sufism is much more than this. Reciting invocations and engaging in rituals are supportive actions designed to aid the process of inner purification. If these rituals are performed incorrectly, they can actually intensify one's inner ailments. The true purpose of Sufism. The essence of Sufism is to purify the heart of envy, malice, pride, and arrogance. Develop fear of Allah and reliance, tawakkul, on Him. Foster sincerity, ikhlas, and humility. These traits are essential for genuine success in life. The connection between Shariah and Sufism. Some believe that Sufism is separate from Shariah, but in reality, it is an integral part of it. Shariah focuses on the correction of external actions, while Sufism addresses the reform of internal states. If sincerity, ikhlas, is absent from the heart, outward acts of worship become meaningless. For instance, a person who prays to gain the admiration of others is, according to a hadith, committing shirk, associating partners with Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, whoever prays to show off has committed shirk with Allah. This shows that the purification of the inner self is essential for validating external acts of worship. The necessity of inner reformation. The Sufi masters emphasize that purifying the heart is the foundation of true worship. Without it, outward acts are rendered futile. Let us strive to cleanse our hearts and strengthen our connection with Allah Almighty.